A top focus, the Pune Porsche case continues to send shockwaves across the nation. Now that the investigation is speeding up, the Maharashtra Medical Council has issued notice to both the doctors arrested by the Pune crime branch. The doctors' body has sought explanation, documents and evidence related to the blood sampling fraud from the doctors. Meanwhile, the health of one of the arrested doctors, Srihari Halnur, has suddenly deteriorated. He has been admitted to a hospital for checkup. Let's also tell you that the RTO has decided to cancel the temporary registration of the Porsche, which was bought from Bengaluru. The date of temporary registration was from March 18 to March 27. However, it was being driven even days after the registration expired. Now, the Pune Police Crime Branch also seized the Mercedes car used for abduction of the driver. The Maharashtra government, in fact, has also formed a 3-member committee to probe the irregularities and alleged cover-up by the Sassoon Hospital in the Pune hit-and-run horror case. Now, let's tell you the development comes after the Pune District Court allowed the police to take custody of the accused father in connection with the kidnapping and wrongful confinement of his driver.
या ठिकाणी जी काही घटना आहे ती अतिशय गंभीर आहे आणि पोलिसांनी योग्य प्रकारे इन्व्हेस्टिगेशन केल्यामुळेच आणि जे काही सीडीआर वगैरे काढले त्यातनं लक्षात आलं की याच्यामध्ये गडबड आहे आणि म्हणून त्याचे धागेदोरे हे मुळापर्यंत जाऊन काढल्यानंतर लक्षात आलं की हा जो काही मुलगा होता जो आरोपित आहे त्याचे जे रक्ताचे नमुने आहेत ते रिप्लेस करून दुसरे नमुने घेण्यात आले होते, परंतु त्याचे दुसरे नमुने पोलिसांजवळ असल्यामुळे लगेच त्याचा पर्दाफाश करण्यात आला. हे जे काही प्रकरण आहे याच्या पूर्ण मुळाशी आणि तळाशी गेल्याशिवाय पोलीस विभाग थांबणार नाही.
पुणे कार एक्सीडेंट मामले में रोज नए खुलासे हो रहे हैं. कभी समझ में आ रहा है कि ब्लड सैंपल को डॉक्टरों ने कूड़ेदान में फेंक दिया था, दूसरे किसी के ब्लड सैंपल को मैच करा दिया और कहा कि ये अल्कोहली नहीं थे. कभी कोई कह रहा है कि पुलिस स्टेशन में आरोपियों को पिज्जा बर्गर दिया गया खाने के लिए. पहले दिन से ही पुलिस की पूरी भूमिका संदिग्ध है. तो ये कौन लोग हैं? पुलिस पर किसका दबाव था? कोई राजनेता इसमें इन्वॉल्व है क्या? कोई बड़ा बिजनेसमैन इसमें इन्वॉल्व है क्या? इसकी पूरी जांच होनी चाहिए, सीबीआई जांच करनी चाहिए. राज्य सरकार पूरी तरह विफल हो चुकी है, गृह मंत्री पूरी तरह फेल हो चुके हैं.
Abhishek, my colleague, joins me for more on this. Abhishek, good morning. Clearly, as far as this entire probe is concerned, it is not shocking, considering with the fact that these were the points, like we continue to track this development, that is, since this story did break out, and you've also continuously been reporting on the same, that this was one of the points that was made earlier in any case, when the visuals did come on the screen of this particular car, that is, that did not have the registration number. That is, of course, one aspect of it. But overall as well, as far as things stand in this case, big breakthroughs and headways being made?
Definitely, and as we speak, just a few hours before, the Pune Crime Branch has seized the car. The car which was used for abduction of the driver, and which driver has earlier said in the statement that was BMW, but according to the CCTV that has been seized by the Pune Crime Branch, it is clearly seen that this was the car, and later the driver identified and confirmed that this was the car in which I was abducted, which also they have the CCTV footages of the same, and now a fresh statement of the driver has been recorded. Remember, when the Pune police wanted to seek custody of grandfather, and that time in the remand copy of course clearly mentioned we need to look out for the car in which the driver was abducted. So now the car is a clear-cut evidence in this case, and which has been seized now by the Pune police, and the further investigation is going on. And as far as the political angle is concerned, definitely political allegations are being leveled against the current government for against the police probe that is going on initially, but an SIT was formed. 2 senior officials from that police station were suspended, and subsequently we have seen how Agarwal family was involved in cover-up by planting the driver, changing the blood sample. Doctors have also been arrested. Now a team of three-member team under the chairmanship of Pallavi Saple, the Dean of JJ, is on the way to Pune. They will be
Right.
going to Sassoon Hospital and they will be conducting an inquiry from the government side. So these are the things which are happening currently, and we will continue to keep our focus and share all the updates possible as soon as to the viewers. Back to you.
Absolutely, Abhishek. Thank you very much for helping us draw perspective as to where things stand at the moment, and more importantly, how this could legally pan out as well.